All right, buckle up, buttercup, because what you're about to witness is pure video magic. Get ready to have your mind absolutely blown. We're diving into REvid.AI, and trust me, you'll never look at video creation the same way again. Less than 5 minutes, challenge accepted. Hey everyone, Malcolm here. I'm so hyped to show you something truly revolutionary. Forget hours of editing. Say goodbye to creative blocks. REvid AI is here to completely transform the way you make videos. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to prove why it's the best AI video generator out there. Stay till the end, and I will give you honest comparison of the free version and why people who want to be successful use the paid version. First up, prepare for this mind-blowing feature. One prompt equals 3 scripts. Seriously, how cool is this? You put in your idea and bam, REvid.AI gives you not just one, but 3 different script options. This instantly gives you a wider perspective, sparks new ideas you might not have thought of, and helps you craft the perfect video message. It's like having 3 brainstorming sessions in seconds. Next level, expanding your reach globally has never been easier thanks to multi-language videos for social media. We don't even speak Spanish, but by using REvid.AI, we were able to reach a whole new audience and saw a fantastic 25% increase in engagement just by publishing the same video in Spanish. Imagine the possibilities. Break down those language barriers and connect with viewers all over the world. Okay, prepare to be visually amazed. REvid.AI boasts diverse video styles and templates. Just look at this incredible array. Whether you're going for a clean and professional look, a fun and engaging animation, a trendy Ghibli vibe, an educational feel, the energy of anime, a grounded realist style, the simplicity of flat animation, the charm of 3D render, the playfulness of Lego, the intrigue of sci-fi, or the nostalgia of retro, and so many more, REvid AI has a style to perfectly match your vision. The creative possibilities are absolutely limitless. And the best part, the absolute kicker, are finally free. You heard that right. You can actually try the incredible power of REvid.AI for free. Yes, the free version has some limitations, but the amazing videos you can create even with the free features are truly extraordinary. This is your chance to experience the future of video creation without spending a dime. Here is the answer to your question. Why should you use the paid version instead of the free version? The answer is really simple. If you want to be a successful content creator, use the same tools they are using to make content. REvid.AI has over 14,000 active users making videos in 32 languages and 68 countries. The cost is only $39 a month to make content that can earn millions of views, and you can turn those views into cold hard cash on every social media platform. There are 2 easy options here. First, the worst case scenario, try the free version, see if you like it. Second, best case scenario, sign up for the paid version and become a social media superstar. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below and try the free version of REvid.AI right now. Trust me, you will be absolutely blown away by what this amazing AI video generator can do. You won't regret it. Get ready to unleash your creativity like never before.